Alright, painit na yung mantika. I got plenty of oil here. And let's put these onions. Fry the onions until it is a bit soft and transparent. Okay, once it is transparent, you can add your garlic. Now let's add the carrot. And add your celery. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's soft. So it's soft now. You can add your meat. Make sure that it is thoroughly brown before adding your chopped tomatoes. While doing this, I am boiling my kettle to get some water to add to the sauce later on. So if you can hear the noise, just bear with me. It's just the kettle. Right, and add a lot of pepper, loads of it. Maybe a teaspoon. It depends on you, according to your preference. If you want it peppery, add more. If you want it mild, then just a little bit. And a bit of salt. Just put your salt gradually, because later on, if you put your cheese, it might get salty because cheese is already salty. So just put a little bit of salt first. And adjust the taste later on while cooking. Right, now I am going to put my chopped tomatoes. Mix it thoroughly. Right, the kettle stopped boiling now. I got boiled water. Boiled water ready. And because I want to add a little bit of color, I am going to squeeze some tomato ketchup just for color. Now then, I am also going to add one chicken cube, and I'm going to melt this or dissolve it in here. No need to use any more utensils but here. So I'll put half cup of water, half a container of this, and I'm going to dissolve it here. So Oh, it's hot. So half of water, put it there together. And let it simmer for about 30 minutes until the sauce has thickened and the meat is cooked. So I'm going to put the lid on, cover it for 30 minutes. And I'm going to reduce the heat. Okay, so it's almost, the water is almost halfway gone now. And before I finish cooking this, I'm going to start cooking my pasta. And I've got the boiling water there, so I'm going to put some bit of salt and a bit of olive oil. And then I'm using this type of spaghetti. It's brown, whole wheat spaghetti. Okay. Because I prefer this compared to the white one. But if your children are having it, you can have the normal spaghetti pasta, the white pasta. Cook it for about 12 minutes until it is al dente, or something that there's a bit of white in the middle. So I've got my timer here. Yeah, 12 minutes. And by the time it is cooked, my sauce is also cooked. So there's no waste of time. Alright. Now I'm going to add the cheese. I'll leave a bit of that for my plate later. Mix it up. So if you can see, it's really getting sticky. And I like to add some, or just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Yeah. Just to have a little kick. So I'm going to just put a little bit. That's it. Just a little flavor, you know. Look at that, you can see. That looks lovely. Okay. And we'll see how's the pasta going on. So just reduce the fire, the heat here to the lowest, just to simmer the last part. Cover this. Okay, so I think this is done now. If you can see, there it is, al dente. Right. Right. So that there we are. It's just cooked. Switch it off. Switch it off. Take this off. Now I'm going to drain my pasta. So here we are. That's the cooked pasta. Put it aside. Alright. This looks nice and lovely. Oh, by the way, so if you have a look at closely, let's see closely, you won't see any more trace of the vegetables. See, there's no trace of carrot or celery, and even the onions. That's what I'm saying, that you can use this for you can use this recipe if your kids doesn't like vegetables, and you can incorporate in here. So that's it. Right, let's put a bit of cheese. The cheese that I saved for a while. And I'm going to put a bit of parmesan as well. Right, so here it is. This is our spaghetti with my own version of pasta of sauce. Right, let's see. Okay guys, so this is my version of pasta. And as I said, if your children doesn't like vegetables, you can always incorporate your vegetables in your pasta without them knowing after it is cooked. And also the pasta itself, I prefer the brown, but you can use your normal pasta or your normal spaghetti. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the link or the button notification bell so that you will be notified if I have another upload of or another tip about cooking. And normally I do it on a Saturday after work. So thanks very much guys. God bless. Bye.